Welcome to our presentation on AR in the workplace. This presentation is by Megan, Olivia, and Lewis. So what exactly is AR? So AR stands for augmented reality. Usually it's described as an experience where designers enhance part of a user's physical world with computer-generated input. It's designed to go over a real-world view. Usually you see this through your smartphone, and there's limited interactions between this view. Most of the interactions you do are through your smartphone, so in different apps this is. So some common examples of AR include Pokemon Go, so a popularized cell phone app that we use to capture different Pokemon. IKEA's mobile app, which allows us to see what furniture would look like in our living spaces through our cell phones, and Snapchat filters, which apply different animals, filters, people onto our faces, but it's not actually there, it's just the augmented reality. So how exactly is AR used in the workplace? Well, a lot of different companies use AR as a way to train their new employees. They'll oftentimes set up different simulations. And also retail sales, you can try on clothing online on apps using AR now. And also programming with AR is a new job type that's popping up everywhere that is very highly looked for in companies that do use training through AR. So two common industries that use AR are the U.S. Army, and the U.S. Army uses AR to help train their new soldiers different ways of combat, and the healthcare industry uses AR as a way to simulate different surgeries and how they work in the operating room.
In this slide, we show how AR is used within the communications field. AR can be used within many fields for communication majors, which each three of us in this group are communication majors. The two that we go over in this presentation are speech therapy and journalism, which are two main fields that can integrate AR into the future of their workplaces, but other communication fields can, such as reporters or professors. AR has already started to be integrated into the world of speech pathology. An AR app called SpeechLabs was created to make speech therapy not only accessible but also more affordable for families. SpeechLabs is an augmented reality-powered speech therapy application, and through the AR app, students can have almost lifelike interactions learning speech by imitating people. This shows AR in journalism and how augmented reality is predicted to be a part of the future of reporting through spatial journalism. Spatial journalism could be made through an app using 3D imagery to immerse you, putting you in the cinematographer's shoes. AR will give journalists a new way to share their ideas and bring their readers literally into their stories through AR in the form of apps or computer programs. Overall, augmented reality is becoming more popular and being integrated into more workplaces each year. It is useful in the workplace as it gives different fields the ability to overlay information and virtual objects into real daily situations in real time. It combines real life with technology as it turns the environment around you into a digital interface through the use of apps and computer programs. This shows our presentation contributions and who did what throughout this presentation. This shows another resource that was used for our presentation.